into driving. Driving like this. It's pretty scary. My lights on. Whoa. Oh, I don't know if we're gonna make it home. Was that worth $80? What do you think? Here we go. Slow start to the video, but here we go. I have to cut some of that out. It's a Mad Dog Mountain Rides video, a driving video. I'm trying to film while I'm driving here. But we also got to be safe. What's safe?
There's no safe.
There's no safe. I'm trying to be safe. We gotta watch out for other vehicles.
Nothing's safe.
I wanted to make one more stop, but now I'm kind of sketch out about one more stop.
What's that one stop?
Well, I was gonna stop at Darcy's parents because I've got something for them, but
You can do it tomorrow.
I don't want to drive tomorrow if it's gonna be like this. You know what I mean?
You have to make another stop now.
I know. Otherwise, I'll have to drive tomorrow. I don't know. I get like this sometimes at the end of the job. There's always like one part of the job that I don't want to do. I should stop at the store and get gloves too, because if I'm gonna have to shovel more, I'm gonna want a pair of gloves, right?
Oh yeah, and I don't have any gloves right now.
No, you don't have any gloves on you, but Mummy's fingers, my hands hurt so bad today after I just shoveled that last, like the tiniest little bit. They went red and white and they hurt. So I'm just kind of not sure.
Like how white?
Like no circulation white.
Like it's white as snow?
No, like white and purple. The bad kind. I don't know. My feet together here. How do we? There's got to be a way to turn the heat on my feet. I can never figure out the heat here. Alright, blast it. This road, blast off. At least it's not as snowy right here as it was downtown. Let's see if anyone's in the ditch. That's the exciting part. Yes.
At least that we're not as close to North Pole here.
Wonder how far away we are from the North Pole.
We already checked the road.
Yeah, but we didn't measure. We didn't do the measuring. Has this guy got a snowblower? Look at the snowblower. It's perfect. Perfect life.
Not yet.
Huh? Yeah, we still gotta clean up your bedroom.
Oh yeah, and we also need to get a snowblower.
Yeah, I thought we had a snowblower. I think it's in our Cornell grandma's. I think so, yeah.
Well, next time we go there, let's find the snowblower.
Yeah, next time.
Wait, maybe we should flew it out.
Yeah, maybe.
That's stress.
She might have thrown it out, actually, now that you say that. I think I vaguely remember her being like, are you ever coming back for the snowblower? It's just sitting in my garage. Taking up space. You know how I like to throw things out.